If you're a lover of minimal makeup, you don't like doing too much in your makeup, or you have a traditional marriage that is coming up soon that you're doing Asoebi for, this makeup is for you. And if you want to learn something that will be so suiting to your skin and very simple to do, this is for you. Don't forget to subscribe, save this video, and share it to your friends so that they will be able to watch it and learn something as well. My name is Lucy Pictures and welcome to my channel. Without wasting most of your time, let's dive into the tutorial. To start off, I started with my face prep. I applied my serum first. I will tag the name or the product that I use, some of the products actually, below the caption below. I applied my serum and I waited for 30 seconds to 1 minute before I used the next product. My next product is my moisturizer. I'm using a Beauty Format moisturizer. Yes, that's the one I'm using. You can use any moisturizer that you want. If you have oily skin, I would advise you go for mattifying moisturizer. If you have a dry skin, I would advise you go for hydrating moisturizer. You have to rub that in and wait for some minutes, for some seconds, 30 to 1 minute, right? 30 seconds to 1 minute before you apply your next product. The reason why you have to stay for some seconds and minutes is to allow the product to sink into your skin and then do its duty. My next product is my primer. I'm using L.A Girl Face Finity. I don't know if it's right, but this has been my go-to primer. It's my OG. The way it just take in my makeup and make it to sit properly just give me joy. I've been using this primer for like years and it's the best. After my primer, my next product is my foundation. If you are a lover of minimal makeup, please don't use too much foundation. Okay, I would advise that you apply a minimal quantity of foundation to give you that skin-like finish that you're looking for. Once you use too much foundation, every other thing is not going to come out nice the way you want it. And as a beginner, please be using little quantity of products so that you won't end up trying to blend it and then you'll spoil everything. Next thing is to highlight my face. I'm using a highlighter that is two shades lighter than my skin tone to highlight my under eyes, my T-zones, that's my forehead, my nose and my chin. One of the big mistakes that you'll make as a beginner is to start using a highlighter that is 3 shades lighter than your skin tone to highlight your face. To blend it is going to be a problem, and if you're using highlighter, please use minimal quantities for you to be able to blend it very well. If not, you will end up with patches and cakey under eyes. Next product I'm using on my face is my blush. I'm using a lipstick palette that I got to do my blush. I'm not using contour, that's a darker shade to contour my face. I'm just using the liquid blush. After that, I'm now using my beauty sponge to blend it in, starting with the blush that I applied. I will blend that before I move to my highlighter. When blending, please try to use a light-handed motion, because when you try to dab it so hard, you are going to take away, that is, you are going to lose all the products that you applied on your face. And try to use a damp beauty sponge. That's, put your beauty sponge in water and then make it damp, okay? It will help you in blending it properly. Now I have moved to my highlighter and I'm also still using light-handed motion, okay, so that I will not take away all my products from my face. And if you notice, when I'm blending my under eye, I try to raise my eyes up. That is to prevent my under eye to be cakey, okay, and to blend the under eye properly. After that, using my powder palette, I picked a little quantity of powder. That is the one I will use to just set in my face. Dust it off at the palm of my hand and then use it to set the highlighted places. Then afterwards, I use a powder that is the same shade as my skin to set other part of my face. I contoured my face, my nose off camera. I do not know that I did not record that part, but I contoured my nose off camera. I will be dropping a video soon on a proper way to highlight and contour your face, okay? Then right now I am baking my face. I don't know if that's right, but it's called baking of the face, where you use a lighter shade of your powder to set your face before you start doing your eye work. This always helps to bring out that highlighted part of your face, okay, and make your face to be snatchy. It helps to carve it. If you are an artist, you understand, it helps to carve out the face to make it, to give you that look that you are looking for. I did my eyebrow off camera. I have dropped a tutorial on how to do your eyebrow. I think I'll tag it. I'll put the link on the description box. Right now I'm doing my eyeshadow. I can't really say much on this eyeshadow because I'm not showing you the colors, but I just did a simple eyeshadow that will just blend into what I am wearing, right? I did not do too much. I just used my transition color to do my base and then apply my is it purple? Yes, I guess purple color, just to give that look. Meanwhile, I did not apply any lashes and I love it. At this point, I am now dusting off on and blending in at the same time the powder that I used to highlight my under eyes and other parts of my face. If you're looking at it, you see how it's blending in perfectly well. This is when you did not use too much makeup and when you did not use too much product, and you did not use too much foundation. See, once you start making mistake from your foundation, it's going to spoil every other thing, right, as a beginner. So you see this one is, you see how it's blending in seamlessly. Everything, it doesn't even give me any hard time to blend in. I applied a little bit of powdered blush, okay, to bring back that color. I love my blush to pop up a little bit, so I applied a little more to give it that definition. After the whole blending and setting, next thing is to set my face with my setting spray. This should be my favorite part of it. And now take a look at the finished look. Tell me if this is not beautiful. You can use this for your Asoebi, use this for your church, for your everyday look. See how seamless and how beautiful it looks on my skin. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell. Share to your friends so that they will be able to learn how to do their own makeup. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next one. Bye!